Welcome everybody. In today's class we will be doing CXC January 2020 exam paper run through. So we will be learning how to do each of these questions. So this is the first question. You have to calculate the exact value of 4 1 over 5 multiplied with 1 over 3 negative 1 over 4. So you can pause the video and try this question. Okay, so let's see how to do this. So foremost, what I wish to do is I will club these two together. 4 into 5 is 20, added with 1 is 21 over 5 multiplied with 1 over 3. Negative 4 times 1 is 4, added with 1 is 5 over 4. Now 21 times 1 is 21. Of course, what I can do is I can reduce here with 3. I already see a 3 here. So 3 divides 21 7 times. So I can rewrite this as 7 times 1 divided by 5, negative 5 over 4. So this is what I've got. Now from here I can take the LCM as 20. LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. 5 divides 20. 4 times 7 times 4 is 28, followed by a negative sign. 4 divides 20. 5 times 5 into 5 is 25. So 28 negative 25 is going to give me 3 divided by 20. So this is in exact form. Okay, you don't have to do anything, just you leave it in this form and that will fetch you the score. Okay, so this is the next question. Find the exact value of 4.1 negative 1.25 squared divided by 0.005. Now let me consider 4.1 negative 1.25 squared. Now I need to square 1.25 with 1.25. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just multiply 1.25, or I would say 125 with 125. Okay, 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12, 1, 5 1s are 5, 6, and then 5 2s are 10, 1 2 2s are 4, 5 2 1s are 2, and then you have a 5, a 2 and a 1. So 5 2 10 added with 6, 16, carry 1, 5, and you have a 1 there. Now after decimal you have 2 digits, after the decimal you have 2 digits, so after the decimal you need to have 4 digits, so the decimal has to move here, 1 2 3 4. So this is what you get when you square 1.25 squared. Now of course you can use a calculator, but I am just using by manual method. So 4.1 minus 1.5625. So how I'm going to make the subtraction? So this is actually 4.1 and 1.5625. So you have to have 3 zeros there, just to make consistency valid. Okay, so you make the subtraction. So you borrow 1, 10, and then from 10 you take away 5, you get 5. There is a 9, you take away 2, you get 7. 9, you take away 6, you get 3. There is a 0 there, borrow 1, 10. From 10 you take away 5, you get 5. There is a 3 there because you pushed 1 already. So from 3 you take away 1, you get 2. So this is actually 2.5375. You are dividing it by 0.005. Now this is rewritten as 2.5375. Now I want to rewrite this as 5, so that means I'm moving the decimal 1, 2, 3 places. So that means you need to divide by 1000. Now you flip by 1000. I would say you flip the quantity 5 over 1000. So that is going to give you 2.5375 divided by 5 multiplied with 1 followed by 3 zeros. Now when I'm multiplying by 1000, the decimal moves, so it moves by 1, 2 and 3. So you have 2537.5 divided by 5. Now you divide it by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 does not, you bring the 3 down, 5 does not divide 3, so you place a 0. Now 37, 5 7s are 35, you carry the 2 on the other side, you get a 5 there. So the value you get is 507.5. So this is the exact form. Okay, so you can stop here. Now you don't have to do all these things in your examination. Now I just did just to show you how the manual method of calculation works. So you can use your calculator. Okay, now this is a lovely question. Stadium has a seating capacity of 15,400 seats. Calculate the number of people in the stadium when 75% of the seats are occupied. Okay, so total capacity, this is a solution I'm giving. Total capacity is equal to 15,400 seats. So occupancy, occupied with 75%. So that means 75 over 100 of 150 or 15400. 0 gets cancelled, so you have to multiply 154 with 75. 5 4s are 22, 25, 27, 2, 5 1s are 5, 7, 7 4s are 28, 2, 35, 37, 3, and you get 0, 15, 15, 1, 1. So this is going to be 1, 1, 5, 5, 0. So what they're asking, when 75% of seats are occupied, calculate the number of people. So number of people in stadium is equal to 11,550. I hope you are able to watch this. Let's move on to the next one. Now this is the next question. It says the stadium is to be renovated with a new seating capacity of 20,790 seats. After renovation, what will be the percentage increase in the number of seats? Okay, so we will have to find that. Now initial number of seats is how many? How many seats are there? Initially the total number of seats is equal to the stadium has how many seats? It's been given 15,400 seats. Okay, so this is equal to 15,400 seats. Now increase is how many? 20,790, is it not? So the difference in increase, how much? So for that, from 20,790 you take away 15,400. So what do you get? 0, 9, 3, 5. 5,390 seats have been increased. So percentage increase. How does the percentage increase? 5,390 divided by original increase, or I would say original capacity is what? 15,400. You multiply by 100. 0, 0 gets cancelled. So you have this. So 2 divides 7 times. 2 divides here 7 times. 2 divides 2 2s are 4. 6 times. 1, 9 2s are 18 and 1 5. So you have this. So let me check with if 2695 is divisible by 11, 22, 49, 4, 44, 5, 45. Okay, that's fair enough. So 11 divides here 2, 4, 5 times. 11 divides here 7 times. So you have 2, 4, 5 divided by 7. Now let me check if 2, 4, 5 is divisible by 7. 7 3s are 21. I have 35 there, and 7 5s are 35. Okay, so what is this? This is nothing but 35% increase. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion is there is a 35% increase in seating capacity. Okay, so this is a lovely question. We move on. Now this is the next beautiful question. Neon light flashes 5 times every 10 seconds. Now show that the light flashes 43,200 times in one day. Okay, so in one day how many hours do we have? 24 hours. Now in 1 hour how many minutes do we have? 60 minutes. Now we have to make the conversion in seconds. Okay, so in 1 minute how many seconds we have? 60 seconds. So I have to convert 1 hour to seconds. So this 60 minutes I have to multiply with 60. So there are 3600 seconds. Okay, that's in 1 hour. So in one day there are 24 hours. So 24 multiplied with 3600 seconds. So you multiply this, what do you get? 6 4s are 24, 2, 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 3 4s are 12, 1, 3 2s are 6, 7. So 4, 6, 8. So you have 8, 6, 4, 0, 0. So you have 86,400 seconds in one day. So how many 10 seconds are here? How many 10 seconds? So 86400 you divide by 10. So you have 8640 10 seconds. Okay, so number of 10 seconds is this value. Now the light flashes 5 times every 10 seconds. So therefore total number of flashes is equal to what? 8640 you multiply with 5. 5 4s are 22, 30, 32, 3, 8 5s are 40 and 43. So 43200 times, right? What is this? Hence the result. So you see that? Show that. So we have shown this. It's a lovely question. We move on to the next one.